Finance Gate fam, what if I told you your brain could make you a millionaire or broke even you without knowing it? The richest people on earth don't just play with money, they play with your mind. Welcome to Finance Gate, where we unpack the wild world of wealth like no one else. Today we're diving into the psychology of money, 10 mind-blowing secrets that billionaires use to stack cash, and why you keep losing it. From sneaky habits to genuine hacks, this is gonna change how you see every dollar. Stick around to see secret number 1. It's the key to unlocking your money mindset. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you'll want to catch every trick. Let's break it down. 10 psychology secrets. At number 10 is the anchoring trap. Born in your brain, not in your wallet. Psych studies shows the first price you see sticks like glue. Say you spotted $100,000 car, suddenly a $50,000 one feels like a steal. How would the rich figure this out? They set crazy high anchors like Elon Musk pricing Tesla stock to the moon. They anchor you to spend money. Real story, a guy I know put a $500 watch down from $2,000. Felt like a win, but the store still laughed to the bank. Wealth flags anchorings why billionaires own your perception. They could sell you a $1,000 pen and you would thank them. Ever fallen for this? Tell me below. Number 9 is scarcity fever. Ever notice how limited edition stuff makes you panic buy? Psych says when something is rare, your brain screams, grab it! Bernard Arnold at LVMH, Louis Vuitton King, make bags scars to jack up prices. His income? Billions from fake shortages. True tale, my buddy camped out for $1,000 sneaker drop. Sold out in 10 minutes. Wealth flex, scarcity could turn a $5 trinket into $500 collectible. What's the dumbest thing you have chased? Number 8, loss aversion. Study says losing $100 hurts twice as much as gaining $100 feels good. Warren Buffett thrives on this. He buys when you panic sells. His income streams, stock, dividends, and your fear. I once sold a stock at $200 loss. Next week, it shot up 300%. Number 7 is the halo effect. If someone looks rich, you trust them. Psych 101. Jeff Bezos rocks that bald billionaire glow and you buy Amazon Prime. His wealth, e-commerce, AWS, and your blind faith. Habit, he projects success, makes you feel safe spending. Quirky fact, I fell for a slick salesman's $300 course. Total flop. Wealth flex, halos why Jeff's $215 billion keeps growing. He's the guy you would lend your last dime to. Ever been dazzled by a suit? Number 6 is social proof. You buy what the crowd loves. Psych says it's wired in US. Mark Zuckerberg's Meta empire, Facebook, Insta thrives on this. Everyone's on it. So you are too. Income, ads, data, and your FOMO. Habit, he hooks you with trends. I once grabbed a $50 gadget because TikTok swore it was life-changing. Broke in a week, wealth flex, Zuck's $215 billion is your herd mentality at work. What's the last hype you bought? Halfway there, number 5, the endowment effect. Psych says you value stuff more once you own it. Larry Ellison, Oracle guy, buys island and yachts, then charges you premium for his software. Habit, he knows you won't ditch what's yours. Wealth flex, Larry's $187 billion grows cause you cling to his overpriced stuff. What's your priceless trash? Number 4 is instant gratification. Your brain craves fast rewards. Billionaires bank on it. Jensen Huang's Nvidia feeds gamers instant thrills. $128 billion from chips you can't resist. Habit, he hooks you with shiny new toys. I blew $100 on a game upgrade, felt amazing for a day. Wealth flex, that's enough to buy 1,000 gaming rigs. And Jensen knows you'll play what's your impulse splurge. At 3 is confirmation bias. You chase info that backs your belief. Rich folks exploit it. Sergey's brain, Google empire, $133 billion. Feeds you ads you already love. Income, search, YouTube, and your eco Tumblr. Habit, he keeps you clicking. I once bet $500 on a sure thing stock. Lost it all cause I ignored the red flags. Wealth flex, Sergey's could sell you 1,000 bad ideas, you'll still click. What's your blind spot? Number 2 is the sunk cost fallacy. You keep pouring cash into a dud because you're in too deep. Larry Page, Google co-founder, milks this with moonshots like Waymo. Income $139 billion from bets you won't quit. Habit, he doubles down brilliant. Ever clung to a money pit? Number 1's the BG, the power of framing. How money's pitched changes everything. Elon Musk $334 billion frames Tesla as the future and you buy in. Income, car, SpaceX, and your hype. Habit, he's a storytelling god. Every tweet's a cash machine. Wealth flex, Elon could frame dirt as gold. You would dig up 3,000 tons. What's the slickiest pitch you fell for? There it is, Finance Gate fam, the psychology of money. 10 secrets the richest minds use to stack billions. Which one hit you hardest? Could you outsmart these tricks? Let's talk cash. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to Finance Gate, and drop in the comments what's the sneakiest money trap you've dodged. Until next time, keep your wallet sharp. See ya!